Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? I hope everyone's alright. Gonna continue on with my what to do series. In this video I want to talk about what to do in Vienna, Austria, which is a huge city and the capital city of Austria. I've been there a couple of times. And there's of course a lot of things to see and do. You can go to Belvedere Palace, walk around the park around there, and go into the State Opera, go into a lot of museums. Around the center of town there's a lot of museums. It's Art Museum, the Albertina, the Hofburg, Natural History. Just walking around that area by itself is huge. There's also a lot of churches around the city if you are into that kind of stuff. The city park, the Carl's Church, or St. Charles Church. The Rathausplatz. Yeah, so there's a lot of things to see and do, and at least during the summertime you can go to Prater, which is a amusement park, which I did go to last summer, which was amazing. Yeah, there's a lot of things to see and do. So you can probably find a lot of things to see in Vienna, and of course if you are into beer and stuff, Austria does have a lot of good, well, I was going to say good beer, but I can't really say anything because I don't drink, but I think at least that whole area does have a lot of great beers. I can imagine it anyway, but and of course there's a lot of, there is some great food around there as well. So yeah, that's the video. Comment below what you think. You can like and subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, you can buy some merch in the merch app down below. Otherwise, peace.